Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use aggregate functions in MySQL. Let's start by looking at the entity relationship diagram. I have 4 tables, but in this tutorial, I'll mostly be running queries on the property and the customer table. Say I wanted to get a count of all the rows in the property table. To do that, I'll use the select count star from table syntax. As you can see, the property table contains 396 rows. Next, let's look at how many of these properties belong to a subdivision. Use the select count property underscore subdivision in parentheses from table syntax. As we can see, 281 of the 396 properties belong to a subdivision. To get a count of all the unique subdivisions, add the distinct keyword in front of property underscore subdivision column. To add a custom column header name in the output, use the as keyword followed by the name in single quotes. Say you wanted to know the average price you paid for the property. To do that, use the select average property underscore cost underscore basis from table syntax. To round the output to 2 decimal places, use the round keyword in front of average and comma 2 at the end. Let's say we wanted to find out how much total cash we paid to buy all the 396 properties. To do that, let's multiply the average property cost basis with count star. Alternatively, you can use select sum property underscore cost underscore basis from table syntax to get to the same number. Use the max function on the property cost basis column to find out what's the max you paid for a property. Similarly, using the min function on the property cost basis column will give you the minimum amount you paid for the property. To find out what's the maximum amount you paid for a property by state, use the group by clause at the end, followed by the column name. You can also use the order by clause to sort based on a column. Use the DESC keyword at the end for a descending sort. To further restrict the output, where the max of cost basis is greater than 5,000, use the having clause after group by. Let's look at one last example where we want to see a count of customers by state. We'll also sort the output by the count column in a descending order. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.